Hello guys, today's lesson is called contractions. Okay, what is a contraction? A contraction is when you have two words and you want to write them together. Okay, so a contraction is a short form of two words. We took the word abbreviation before. Abbreviation is when you make one word in a short form, okay? And when you to abbreviate one word, you take the we did something. We take the first letter and the last letter, and then we use a period. But in a contraction, we have two words and we want to write them together in a short form. So here, instead, in a contraction, we use an apostrophe. Okay, what is an apostrophe? An apostrophe is this symbol. Okay, this is an apostrophe. Okay, a sign that you use. Okay, I'll show you now how we'll use it. Okay, so last week we took the verbs was, is, and are, right? So we said that we use is when the verb tells about one person, place, or thing. And we use are when the verb tells about more than one person, place, or thing. Like for example here, he is late for school. Okay, so he refers to a boy or a man, so he is late for school. Okay, so sometimes we want to add the word not. We want to make this, the sentence into a negative. Okay, so a negative, it means you want to add the word not. Okay, like if I say he is not late for school. Okay, here we have is and we have not. We want, so here the contraction is to come to make a short form of two words. A verb, the verb is, and the word not. Okay, so how can I join or make is and not together? I will show you now. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so if I have is plus not, okay, I will write is first, and then I will write the N next to it, and then I will put an apostrophe and take out the O, and then I put the T. So how can I make a contraction? If I want to join these two words, is not, and put them together in a short form, I write the first word is, and then next to it the first letter N from not, and then I take away the O and I put an apostrophe, and then I add the T. So the apostrophe here takes place of the missing letter. Okay, this is how you write a contraction. And if I want to use it in a sentence, I'll write he isn't late for school. All right? Okay, what about are? Okay, the kids are not happy. Okay, the kids are not happy. Okay, so here we're learning how to make a contraction between the verb is and not, and the verb are and not. Okay, so I want to join or combine. I want to make a contraction for the two words are and not. Okay, what do? I write are first. Okay, and then I write the N next to it from the word not, and I take away the O and I put the T. Okay, so and I want to write the sentence, I write, this is how I make a contraction. The kids aren't happy. Okay, again, what is a contraction? A contraction is a short form of two words. Okay? Okay, and we use an apostrophe to replace the missing letter. Okay? So to a contraction of is not, I will write is, and I put the N for not, take away the O, and replace it. Replace means to put. The apostrophe will take the place of the O, and then I put T. So is not becomes isn't. Are not, I will write are, the word are. Okay? And then I write the N next to it from not, and I take away the O and put an apostrophe, and then I add the T. It becomes aren't. The kids aren't happy. Okay, let's go to our textbook and see if you can find the contraction in each sentence, okay? It says here, contraction is a short form of two words. An apostrophe takes the place of letters that are left out. So we will put the apostrophe in the places of the letters that we took out. So here we said are plus not is aren't. Is and not is isn't. Okay? We use aren't when the sentence talks about more than one person, place, or thing, and we use is not when the sentence is about only one person, place, or thing. Okay, let's find the contraction in each sentence. Draw a circle around the contraction in each sentence. We will find the contraction. We will make a circle around it. Number 1, the boys aren't in luck. The boys aren't in luck. Okay, where's the contraction? The boys aren't in luck. If here I find the apostrophe, so I see the verb and I see the contraction and the apostrophe. Okay, so circle aren't. Number 2, that skunk isn't good to smell. That skunk is not good to smell. So here isn't, and this is not, and this is the apostrophe. So this is the contraction, isn't, circle isn't. Number 3, skunks aren't fun to smell. Skunks aren't fun to smell. Skunks aren't, okay, so aren't here is the contraction. A skunk isn't a good pet. A skunk isn't a good pet. We're going to circle isn't. Okay, next on page 130, number 5 is answered for us. Okay, but we have to try to answer by ourselves first. It says here, you write isn't or aren't on the line to complete the sentence. Remember, we use isn't if the sentence is about one person, place, or thing, and aren't if the sentence is about more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, number 5, the class isn't on the bus. Okay, the class here, a class has many students, but when you talk about it, you talk about it as one group. Okay, so the class here is singular. It's one. It's about one class. So the class isn't on the bus. That's why we used isn't, because here it talks about the class as one thing. All right. Okay, number 6. The pigs, here the pigs is the singular, plural, singular. You see the S, right? So the pigs aren't very big. Why did I use aren't? Because here the pigs is plural. It tells about more than one thing. All right? So we will write aren't. Remember, the apostrophe, you have to put it up, above. If you put it in the bottom, then it's going to be comma. Okay? There's a difference between an apostrophe and a comma. Number 7. The chicks blank together. The chicks blank together. Let's look at what the sentence is about. The chicks. The chicks are baby chicken. But is it singular or plural? It's plural because of the S. The chicks aren't together. Okay? We used aren't again because the chicks is plural. Number 8. That duck blank in the pond. That duck, that duck is, the duck is only one. We're talking about only one. That duck isn't in the pond. That duck isn't in the pond. All right? Okay, for 9 and 10, draw a circle around the noun. We will draw a circle around the noun. Let's look at what's written. Okay, number 9. Is it chick or chicks? We have 1, 2, 3. So it's plural. We will circle chicks with the S. We have hen and hens. Remember, a hen is a mommy chicken. Okay, there's only one hen, so we will circle hen without the S. All right, guys? Let me show you the answers. I don't know why I keep skipping pages. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, this is the answer key for page 100 and I forgot. Okay. And this is the answer key for the second page, 130. So the first one was 129 and the second one was 130. Okay. I hope this was a quick and easy lesson. See you guys in the next video or in the extra care session. Okay, guys?